How to change the default messaging app on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 or 14 phone with HyperOS 2. Wherever you are on your phone, go ahead and pull down the quick access like this here and tap on the settings toggle, this one here. Once you do this here, you'll now want to go down the list until you see apps. So you're looking for apps, this one right here. As you enter here, you'll now be taken to a view that looks like this, and you want to tap on the three dots right up here at the top right. You'll see other settings, go into that. Then to the top, you'll see default apps. Go ahead and tap on that and look for messaging. As you go here now, you will see a list of all the apps that you installed from the Play Store that are compatible with your Xiaomi phone. So it depends on your Xiaomi phone model. And to get some free messaging apps, you'll have to go to the Play Store and install them. And of course, once you're done and you see the one that you like and it's compatible, just tap on it. And that'll allow you to switch over as the default SMS messaging receiving app. Like and sub.